Are your Outlook notifications not working properly and are completely silent? If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. This is a really common problem and it happens for a bunch of different reasons, like a settings got switched off, or Windows focus mode that's blocking alert, or even an Outlook update. In this video, I'm going to walk you through every fix real quick. Also, you can call the numbers displayed on the screen for real-time expert help. Alright then, let's get started. First, open the Outlook application on your computer. Look at the left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. Click on Options. When the Outlook Options window opens, select Mail from left side. Scroll down until you find the Message Arrival section. Make sure both Play a Sound and That Desktop Alert are checked. Click OK to save your changes and close the window. Now, click on the Start menu and select Settings. Inside Settings, click on Systems. Now select Notifications and Actions from the left panel. Scroll through the list of apps and click on Outlook. Make sure the Notifications toggle is switched on. Close the window and you're all done. Now, your Outlook notifications should be working perfectly.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help@emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.